Weight loss isn't always about eating less or pushing harder in the gym. Sometimes it's about balance. Balance inside your body and balance in your daily routine. Because when balance is missing, progress slows, no matter how hard you try. Himalayan pink salt is not a miracle solution, and it does not replace healthy eating or an active lifestyle. But when used correctly and in moderation, it may support wellness habits that influence healthy weight loss routines. Bloating, constant cravings, low energy, stress. These issues quietly work against your goals every single day. And most people focus only on calories while ignoring what's happening inside their body. That's where balance matters most. Unlike highly refined table salt, Himalayan pink salt is naturally sourced and minimally processed. It's often chosen by people who prefer more intentional lifestyle choices, not for extremes, not for shortcuts, but for consistency and everyday balance. Proper hydration supports metabolism, energy levels, and appetite control. In small amounts, mineral-rich salt may help support hydration, which can reduce unnecessary cravings and sudden energy drops. And when energy feels stable, healthy choices feel easier. Highly processed salt can contribute to water retention and digestive discomfort. Many people report feeling lighter and more comfortable when they focus on balanced salt intake. Because when your body feels comfortable, staying consistent becomes possible. Stress impacts sleep, hormones, and weight. Calmer routines support relaxation, and relaxed routines lead to better decisions. The environment you surround yourself with quietly shapes your habits, and habits shape results. Weight loss isn't about doing more, it's about doing things better, with balance, intention, and consistency. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more wellness-focused content, and visit our website to explore more.